Hi friends, today we're going to talk about Google Analytics and creating a couple of different views for your website data. And the reason we're going to do this is so that you will always have a backup raw data copy. If you run a filter or you create a custom report or you slice and dice your data and it gets a little out of whack, then we want to make sure that we always have an untouched view of your actual analytical data. All right, so once you've added the tracking code to your website, you go into administration and log in, click on admin, and you'll see your website data. And if not, you may see this view where you might have to expand, and then you'll click on the one with the globe next to it. Okay? All right, let's click over on admin and come back to this screen where we have our account, our property, and our view. So by default, Google Analytics creates this all website data view. We want to create a couple of new views. Click the down arrow key under the view profile. We're going to create new view. I'm going to name this my master website data. Select the correct time zone, and if you're a mobile app creator and you want to track data on your mobile app, you can click here. Interactions with Google Analytics and mobile applications are a little bit different than what it is with a website. So today I'm sticking with the website. I'm going to create this view. Awesome. So now I'll see that if I click down here, I have all website data and master website data. I'm going to go in and change this name to raw in front of it. So I know that this is the data I do not want to touch. If you have an e-commerce tracking site and you want to embed e-commerce tracking on your site for those pages, you click this to on and click save. If you have a search bar on your site, like for blog articles or a specific product on your site, you may want to enable site search tracking so you can see what keywords people are typing in on your search bar on your website, not necessarily into Google to search for your stuff, but just on your particular website. There's some extra coding that needs to go along with that, so keep that in mind. If you hover over the question mark and click on learn more, you can see the extra parameters that need to be added for the search queries. Okay, I'm going to click save, and I'm going to click I'm going to create one more view. So I'm going to go back, click my little back arrow over here, return to admin home, and click create new view. And this last one I'm going to call test website data. Okay, make sure it's the right time zone, make sure it's website, create view. Now the reason I'm creating this test view, so if I create a report that I want to put some filters on, and maybe I need to test that out a little bit to see what data I need to fit my business best, I would run that on the test website data profile first. Get it cleaned up, make sure the filters are working properly before I would apply it to the master website data. And I'm pretty much never going to touch this raw all website data. That's going to exist just to be my backup, so my just in case scenario. So I hope that explains just a little bit on how to use views. Like I said, you only have one view set up when you automatically from Google, and just rename that one raw and then create two more so you can get in there and start really running the numbers, working your data, and finding out what's working for your website. Thanks for watching. If you liked this tip video, please visit us online at innerspacemarketing.com or girlfriendtech.com and subscribe to our e-newsletter. You get all the tips first. Oh, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel too. Awesome!